Did you forget your Roblox password? Don't worry. I'm here to show you how to easily get back into your account. First, let's start on the Roblox login screen. You will see fields for username or email and password. Don't worry about the password field right now. Instead, look below the login button. You'll spot an option that says Forgot Password or Username, and click it. This brings you to the Forgot Password page. You'll be prompted to enter either your username or the email address associated with your Roblox account. In the box provided, carefully type in the information. After entering your username or email, click on the Submit button. A message will appear saying something like, "Instructions have been sent," or "Success." Check the email account that you entered. Roblox will send you an email with instructions to reset your password. Open your email inbox and find the email from Roblox. Inside that email, you will find a link or a direct reset password button. Click that link or the button. You will be redirected to the Roblox website, where you'll be able to create a new password in the provided fields. Create your new password, and then re-enter it to confirm. It's highly recommended to use a strong and unique password, preferably with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Click Submit or Save after you have created your new password. Congratulations! You should now be able to use your new password. Return to the Roblox login page, enter your username, and type in your new password. Click Login, and you're back in your account. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Roblox password. Remember to keep your new password safe. For more Roblox tips and tricks, don't forget to like and subscribe.